Good morning from the day of the race, Kigali, Rwanda, 2026. The last 10 minutes to go. Last drink. Hopefully my stomach is not going to go crazy. So yeah, nothing planned. Just take decision as it goes, depending on the route, on the weather. But yeah, this place is crazy. Like, people are getting ready, super ready. Got some extra package, extra supply. The race started like maybe 2 hours ago, maybe less. There are 20 something kilometers in, and yeah, we started the gravel section. But I'm telling to my friends, my family and friends, that it's easy to follow me, because I'm always at the end of the group, of the last one. So in case you're not hello, good morning. So yeah, what I was saying is that I'm always at the end, and yeah, people are really friendly, saluting, making sure we're okay. It's only behind me.
have a good time. You're probably climbing faster than I am, so.
I don't know. Miriue! Amakuru! Miriue! Let me tell you how much. It's almost 9 a.m. in the morning, 60 kilometers in, and this is going too fast, faster than expected. Yeah, I mean, the climbs are not that long, and after every climb comes a downhill, right? So yeah, going quite fast so now. So I'm not sure if it's realistic or not. Morning. I'm not sure if it's realistic or not to make it tonight to checkpoint 1, which is I think 230 kilometers. So let's see how it goes. My goal is only to finish it and to cycle in the daylight. I do not want to cycle during the night because I'm not going to see anything of this. So yeah, cycle during the day to see everything, finish on time, and yeah, I hope the stomach situation is not going to get worse, because that will ruin everything. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
My friend, good morning.
Hey, hey, hey. Nossa. Falando mesmo. Ojá Mauro. Cloudy, a bit more and windy, so I hope I'm going to be in a city or in a village when the rain starts. Here there are two speeds. When cycling in Rwanda there are two speeds: slow, going up, and fast, going down here. First few hours and everything is like a mess. So yeah, I'm stopping here to eat a bit, because also it's about to rain, so maybe I'll go and stay here half an hour, 1 hour, like the rain to go away, and I keep moving. Big call stopping before the storm. I decided to left because it feels like the rain is not stopping, so I mean my shoes are already wet, my hands as well, so it's not cold, so even if I'm a bit wet, I can continue pedaling, which is the important thing. Yeah. And yeah, kilometer 81. Let's see how far I will get today. Yeah, my glasses are, I'm not sure, dirty if something else, but it's hard for me to see.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
What is your name?
Petrica, what is yours?
Oh. Where you come from?
From Romania.
Romania?
Yeah, do you know what it is?
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's from America.
No, it's from Europe.
Or Europe?
From Europe, yeah.
Oh. Now where are you going?
Somewhere
Eh?
around the Rwanda, around Rwanda.
Around Rwanda.
Yeah.
Oh. But the rain will beat you.
No, there's no rain.
It didn't beat you.
Huh?
It didn't beat you.
Beat me who?
Rain.
Yeah, it beat me a lot, a lot. The rain, yeah. Now I'm trying to prepare for the sun.
Oh, you're trying to prepare the sun.
Yeah, for the sun, yeah.
Oh.
But it wasn't too much.
The rain?
Yeah.
You think? It was a lot. From where I'm coming, it rained like 2 hours. You think it was not enough? It was a lot. Yeah.
I was seeing it.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
I'm just grazing cows. We're just grazing cows here.
Where are the cows?
They are in front here. They are here. If you want to see, you can come and go there.
Oh no, I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry. How many cows do you have?
We have just it's like 2.
Only 2 cows.
Yeah.
And they're yours.
Yeah, it's ours.
Ah, good. Good.
Now when are you going to come back?
I don't know.
You don't know.
You don't. I don't know. No. Yeah, I don't know.
Give me your number. I will call you up.
No, but I won't be here for long. Don't worry.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm not going to be here for long. So.
Now when are you going to go back again in Europe?
Yeah, like this week. This week I'm going back.
You're going to go back?
Yeah. So I'm not going to be for too long here. Yeah. Yeah.
But the sunshine you can't. You don't enjoy sunshine.
You think? Well, I hope it's going to be enough sunshine. Hello. There you go. Hello. The road is perfecto. Not using my hands, so not touching the handlebar. So yeah, it's perfect. Feels like a road, but in the middle of the nature. And there's so many birds singing. You know, so they're so small. They have different colors. I could see them, and the landscape, it's amazing. That's a hippo, a huge hippo. Yeah, I said to a cyclist earlier that looks like a safari, and he was joking that the lion is going to go for the slow one. I just hope I'm not going to be lucky and meet a lion. Kilometers left until the stop. Yeah, if I do another 40 kilometers for today, it's like the achievement of today. Made it to a hotel, to the first one that I found on the road, and yeah, today we call it a day. 190 kilometers. It's good. I mean, part of the goal was not to cycle in the night, not to cycle the whole night or too much, but I didn't end up cycling like just 2 hours, and it's enough. I do not want again. It's enough. Yeah, I'm dirty like a pig. Okay, so yeah, took me a bit to find this, but I'm happy. So while I'm going to take a shower, they prepare the dinner. So fantastic, really good first day, really good. My legs, and this is the second time that I wash it today. And the bike, madre mia, look at the chain. It's a disaster.